Hello, everyone. So, in this session, let's deep dive about building a research agent, right? So, we will build a research agent with help of PhiData. So, research agent, what it will do, it will go and make a call to our research API. So, what is research API? Let's try to understand that a bit. So, this is the Exa.ai. Uh, this is a search designed for AI, and we will be using this um, its API to make a call, and which is kind of business grade search and web crawling for any web data, and they provides API for us, right? And it they have trusted partners which are using already all these web search and they're claiming the world's most powerful web search and industry leading search API. You can see XI is leading, and then Perplexity and Bing. And in web sets, they are a kind of one of the pioneering, and yeah, Google is behind, and that is in terms of AI search, right? So find the list of perfect results made for sales, recruiters, and knowledge workers that need hundreds of verifiable character results, right? So with this, you can log in and then you can get API, right? And here is the example they're showing that if you would like to make a call, just you have to import it. First of all, we need to install XAPI, right? And then we have to import it, XAPI, and this is the instantiation with the XAPI keys. And then they're making a search call, right? Invoking a search, latest development in ML, and categories they're asking in the terms of research papers, whatever papers being published, and it will give results like this in returns. It will give a confidence score, what is it, and title of that document, right, and other details, right. So if we can see, right, so we will be seeing title, ID, URL, and publish date, and who is the author, and uh, we can get others outputs. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. I think they will give by default five results, right? 5 or 10, and according to confidence score, you can select top one and display it over there, right? So now we had a basic understanding about XR API. So let's jump into code and see how it works. All right, so I have opened Visual Studio Code where we had all previous samples, right? So to start with that, I created a research underscore agent.py, that's Python file, and I took the sample code of uh, PhiData web search, right? And this code is importing text wrap where we will be doing text operations, date time. This is the standard one. And these are PhiData agents related uh, components, which we have to import it, Phi agent, Phi model, and which we are using OpenAI. So that's where we are looking for OpenAI. And in OpenAI chat would be the uh, class which will be helping us to interact with uh, OpenAI. And then PhiData tools. And in tools, what we are going to use, we are going to use XIAI, right? Research tools. So I have imported this, and with this imports, I'm creating an agent instance, and this is the way to instantiate one agent in PhiData. We have already seen, right? And here model, we are having this model name, and we are giving GPT 4.0 model we are going to use. And tools, we are saying that we will be using EXA tool, and we are giving this start publish date now, right? And uh, so this is the publish date according to uh, uh, latest publish date. We are looking for all the papers, right? And keyword search. The type of search will be based on keyword. And we are giving a description for this of this agent is you are an advanced AI researcher writing a report on a topic. So we are giving a description to that agent. Okay, and this is the instruction for agent, and we are saying for the provided topic, run three different searches. So whatever topic user will input, it will run the three different searches and then read the result carefully and prepare NYT worthy report, right? So we are asking for New York Times reports need to be generated and focus on facts and make sure to provide references. So we are also asking your focus should be on facts and also you have to provide the references from where you have read through, right? And now this is the text output we will be getting. So how we are getting? So uh, to with this text wrapper, right? Uh, component, we are getting this dead end, and then we are writing here an engaging, informative, and well-structured report in Markdown format, right? And then here, engaging report title, this should be the format. Then there should be overview. This is nothing but a prompt structure, right? Um, so you can consider in this way. And inside overview, give a brief introduction of report, why the user should read this report, right? This is the instructions. And here, make this section engaging and create a hook for reader, right? So these are the instruction we are providing. And in this section 1, we're saying break the report into sections, provide details, facts, process in these sections. So detailed about facts and processes should go here in section 1, and more sections as necessary. We are making them creative to go and create all those sections. Then we are asking for takeaways. Also write a takeaways. Provide the key takeaways from this article. What would be the takeaways? And then you have to give references at the end, and you have to mention the publish date. So this is the instructions we have prepared, right? Markdown true, show call tools, that is also true. Add date time to instructions, this is true. Save report to a file, and we are asking to save the response to the file and see in the temp masses.md, right? And so with this, it will go and create a PDF file for us, right? And here, finally, we are saying that, okay, uh, as in print response, we are asking to print a response on simulation theory. And it has to create a MD file, and also it has to give the response in the prompt also, right? So start with this. Let me clear this. So to run this program, as we went through that um, xr.ai, from there, what we have to do first, we have to get the key, right? So let's get the key from xr.ai portal. So I'm on xr.ai portal, and what is that? It's saying that API dashboard. If you would like to go, and here, if you like to try it out, then what you have to do? You have to get the API key, right? So try this API, and I'm going with my Google uh, account, right? So I will log in with Google, and here I will go to the API key, right? And what I can do, I can create a new API key or edit option. This is the edit option, but I will go and I will create a new API key demo, and this is my API key. I will copy it, and then I have to use this API key within my project to make a call, right? So let's jump into our code. So I will come here, and in my environment variable, what I am going to do, I will create a API key here. And what should be the value of it? Let me get its value. So API key name will be this one, exa API key, and its value, whatever just we created, right? So with this, I have uh, done with this exa API key, right? And then I will go in my research agency agent.py, and it will automatically call that. And before that, I need to install XIAI also uh, as a package, right? So here you will see I have already hooked it up underscore py, and after that I have to run pip install -r requirement.txt. So all requirement has been installed. Now I will go to yeah, so requirement has been installed. Let's run this program. So our program name is research agent.py. It's thinking, right? And it got this masses simulation theory, On that, it has to generate the article. Now it's running, and what it ran. So here we can see that all those stepwise. So search exa, and it's given this query, right? Overview. See, it's the three type, right? And number of results. It's asked that give me the three results. Then it runs query latest development in simulation theory. Automatically it's making a call, right? Then it's making impl implication of simulation theory and number of result is expect three. So what it says that it seems encountered issue in accessing external resources for the latest search hour. I can provide detailed report on simulation theory based on information knowledge available up to. Okay, so now it seems like this is the call response coming from model, because here it's mentioned it seems like encountered issue accessing external resources, latest web search. Let me see if the key I have saved it. Yeah, key has been saved. And we have installed also, and model is giving me response. Let me try it once. Okay, API key is not set. Okay, so XI API is missing. So we have to set the XI API. So let me go over and set it. So guys, this is the code which we would like to include within our program, right? To load the load API key into our environment. So this is the load dot environment, and we are going to call it out, right? So what it will do, whatever we have in environment dot environment, it will go and take it, read it, and now after that, I will put into environment, right? So it will be in local environment now, right? So I think you're familiar with this. So let me delete this, and this is the code we have to include for it. I saved it. Let's go to the command prompt, do the CLS clear, and again we will install it. Not we have already installed. Now I'm going to run research agent.py. So now it's the same three questions, right? As we have instructed it. So run three different searches. So it's automatically able to reason three different searches. So now see, now we have it has made three different searches, and it is giving that living in the simulated reality, a deep dive into simulated reality. This is the title. Okay, an overview section. You can see nicely it has wrote a overview section. The foundation of simulation theory. Other sections it has already given, and related links also, right? Citation is basically these are the citations. And at the end, here is all references and published on as of now. So it has included today published date and time date. Yeah, today published days. So how elegant it is, right? Building agents which will do the research on behalf of you, and and one more thing, right? We instructed to generate uh, MD file into the temp. So you can see here we have the temp, and all this markdown report has been created, right? So see how easy it is to build a research agent with PhiData and leveraging GPT 4 4.0 as a reasoning model. So that's it with this example. We will look into another example in another video. Thank you. Don't forget to provide your comments so that I will be working on other examples accordingly.